This video is a brief tutorial on how to search, access, and download ebooks from the CCS Library's EBSCO ebook collection, which is CCS's primary ebook collection. The quickest way to access the EBSCO ebooks is by clicking on Collections at the top of the page. Next, we can click eBooks under the left-hand tab here, and that will bring us to the overview page. We can find the link to EBSCO academic ebooks in the main ebook collection section here, and we'll click the link in big capital letters that says here. Once on this page, we can start by searching for a specific title. I'll search for Patronizing the Arts because I know we own that. And we'll click the link at the top of the page. Now with EBSCO ebooks, you can either click PDF full text and view the whole book in your browser and read through it that way, or you can do full download so that we can read on our e-readers or devices. Now, the first time that you log in to EBSCO, you'll need to create an individual EBSCO account. This is free for students to do and only takes a second. Allow me to sign into my own account here. Once logged in, we'll get this pop-up message here with steps to download the actual ebook itself. Ebooks can be checked out for up to 7 days. It looks like I already checked this one out, and I've got about 6 days, 23 hours, and 55 minutes left. Sometimes you'll have the option to select a EPUB format, and that just makes it a better format to view on your phone. You'll also need to make sure that you have Adobe Digital Editions downloaded. This is quick and free to do as well. And then we'll click Full Download and close. Once that's ready, we can open that up in Adobe and go through those steps as needed. And that's it.